Hello everyone, today we have a Ranger RHF-618. This is a new base station by Ranger. This one is a tune-up report for Eddie in New York. This is what we got out of this baby, Eddie. Over here I set her up for 8 watts all the way up, 3 watts all the way down. I tried for more range than that, even with a little circuit mod, but that's as much range it would give me. It was 8 to 4.5, and we got it from 3 to 8. Over here on the peak power.
Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. 1 2 3 4 5. Just a little over 30. 1 2 3 4 5. Break. Audio check. 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check.
And we'll put her over the side bin.
Audio 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Nice sounding side bin. 1 2 3 4 5. Check. What do you got over there? I got about about 27 watts. 1 2 3 4 5.
I looked at him on the internet, and that's about it. There's what it says there's Jackals.